Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials, device compatibility and permissions. Once done, open Faceit and sign in. You need camera and mic access so the features work. Make sure to choose a quiet spot with steady light and a simple background, because accurate detection depends on visible facial features. Now select a template or tutorial mode to jump straight into recording. This first run trains the app and caches models, which speeds up future sessions and improves stability as you continue. You now perform the central steps. Choose guided or freeform workflow and follow on-screen prompts to capture expressions or speech. As you record, adjust sensitivity and exposure. This helps the recognition algorithms focus on meaningful movement rather than noise. Once recorded, use the editor to trim clips and align timestamps because clean input yields better analysis. Make sure to add one filter or marker for continuity. This helps with tracking. Finally, save a versioned copy so you can compare progress over time. You complete the workflow by exporting your session as MP4 or uploading to cloud storage. Include metadata and transcript for easy retrieval. Once saved, tag and share the file or archive it for later review, and make a habit of backing up after each significant session. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reset camera and microphone permissions, recalibrate with the test screen, and restart the app. Doing that usually resolves detection issues and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.